Hello, my Xchart friends. Those of you who do not choose or like to use the Xchart Systems Review and Health History, don't think we forgot about you guys. Of course, we've got some special stuff for you too. I think you're really going to like this. All right, so let's jump in. Let's check it out. The typical format that we're seeing, those folks who prefer to not use our systems review, they jump straight into your anesthesia record. Now, you still will see your case summary page, and you'll still notice, you might, if you looked at our other video, for those who do use Xchart for the systems review, you can come in here and create the health history separate from having to do the anesthesia record. So you still have that option there for you. But for you, the typical format that you or flow that you like to do, just jump straight into your anesthesia record. Now, of course, we're going to go through here, do our presets, just everything like normal, and we're going to go to our health history. Now, again, it looks like it might be forcing you to do a health history. Don't be confused by that. It's totally fine. Go ahead and click on that button, and right there, there's your elsewhere button. Now, makes it really easy for you. If you do want to start using our systems review, we're more than happy to help you out with that. But go ahead and click your elsewhere. And of course, there's some bare minimum questions that we need to have to be able to make the calculations necessary mostly for the local anesthetic. Of course, go ahead and fill that out. But here's the feature that you guys are going to love. Having done a health history on another platform, that text information, you can copy it and now come straight over here to this box and paste it. So it puts that whole entire text data straight in there. Fantastic thing. Like, makes things really, really easy for you. So those of you who are doing your health history elsewhere, but you still want to have that information on your anesthesia record, specifically your Xchart anesthesia record, we now have that opportunity without you having to do the duplicity. So I'm going to sign this, say that we reviewed it. And what does it look like? Let's take a look. So as you can see, all of that information is in there. And of course, as little or as much as you want in here, that's totally up to you as a provider. But you now have the freeway space to do whatever you feel like you need to or want to there. And of course, as always, our anesthesia records are dynamically changing to fill it out to where everything is still legible, organized, and you can see everything nice and neatly. So I hope you guys like this. I think it's going to really help things out for those of you who like this different style of flow. And if you have any questions, we're here for you. But hope this helps. In the meantime, stay paperless. Thanks, guys.